Welcome back, everybody. Today, quick video on typing.Final, a new feature in 3.8. And it's really nice what you can do with constant. So let me show you. So I got a virtual environment already set up. And let's open a script.py and do a max lines of 10. And as per PEP 8, constants are uppercase, separated with underscores. And constants are supposed to not change, yet you can do so without any complaints from Python. Print 11 should have been 10. So you can type in this. Let me import this from typing, import final. And then I can say final as type hint, if I can type. And if I run this, that's blatantly ignored by Python, but not by mypy. So if I now install a tool like mypy, for some reason, I need to reactivate the virtual environment to use my local one. And I run that. And the first time it's a little bit slow. It's building up a cache. It should complain. Cannot assign to final name max lines. So it's recognizing it's a constant and should not be overwritten. And of course, if I take that line out, mypy is happy again. Yeah, so this is a really cool trick you can do with constants. Just add the final type into it, and you're good to go. Right, hope this is helpful. Comment below if you have requests for other Python videos, and see you in the next one. Ciao.